Pluto is no longer a planet. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. We will explain to you why Pluto is not considered a planet. Pluto was discovered in 1930. Pluto is the smallest and most distant planet in our solar system. Pluto, it is even smaller than our Moon. Pluto is so far from the Sun. It takes 247.7 Earth years to orbit the Sun. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union decided to demote Pluto not part of a planet. Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet because, while it is large enough to have become spherical, it is not big enough to exert its orbital dominance and clear the neighborhood surrounding its orbit. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit us at www.selfquiz.org.